Introduction to frogs and toads. Frogs and toads are both amphibians and share many similarities, but they also have distinct differences. Understanding these differences can help in identifying these creatures and appreciating their unique adaptations. The distinctions between frogs and toads are often subtle and can vary based on regional species, but there are general characteristics that set them apart. Physical appearance. One of the most noticeable differences between frogs and toads is their physical appearance. Frogs generally have smooth, moist skin and a more streamlined body, which aids in their jumping abilities and aquatic lifestyle. In contrast, toads typically have dry, warty skin and a stockier build, reflecting their more terrestrial habits. Habitat preferences. Frogs and toads also differ in their habitat preferences. Frogs are usually found near water sources such as ponds, lakes, and streams. Their skin needs to stay moist, so they are more commonly seen in or near aquatic environments. Toads, on the other hand, are more adaptable to drier environments and can often be found further from water. They are more likely to be found in gardens, forests, and fields. Behavior and movement. Behaviorally, frogs and toads exhibit different movement patterns. Frogs are known for their powerful, long legs and exceptional jumping ability, which they use to navigate their environments and escape predators. Toads have shorter, less muscular legs and tend to move in a more deliberate, walking or hopping manner rather than long jumps. Their movements are less agile compared to frogs. Breeding and eggs. When it comes to reproduction, frogs and toads have different strategies for laying eggs. Frogs generally lay their eggs in clusters or masses in water. These eggs often form floating masses or clumps, which then hatch into tadpoles. Toads lay their eggs in long, gelatinous strings that are wrapped around vegetation in water. The eggs also hatch into tadpoles, but the egg-laying patterns are distinct between the two groups. Skin and defense mechanisms. Skin texture is another distinguishing feature. Frogs have smooth, slimy skin that helps in moisture retention and respiration. They also have more vibrant coloration, which can serve as camouflage or a warning to predators. Toads have dry, bumpy skin with a rough texture. Many toads secrete toxins through their skin as a defense mechanism against predators. These toxins can cause discomfort or be harmful if ingested. Vocalizations. Vocalizations are used by both frogs and toads for communication, especially during mating. Frogs are known for their varied and often melodious calls, which can be heard from a distance and are used to attract mates. Toads also call, but their vocalizations tend to be more guttural or less melodious compared to frogs. Conclusion. While frogs and toads share similarities as amphibians, their differences are distinct and reflect their unique adaptations to their environments. Frogs tend to have smooth skin, live near water, and are known for their jumping abilities, while toads have warty skin, are more terrestrial, and move with a characteristic gait. Understanding these differences can help in identifying and appreciating these fascinating creatures.